Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. Patent officer exam notification has come, right? Very rarely we see this notification. Next year elections are there, so that's why I think examination notification has come this year, right? So if you want to crack this patent officer exam is very prestigious exam. If you want to get a very good government job, this is a very wonderful opportunity for you. And especially if you are the CSR net aspirant and GATE aspirant, definitely this exam is very easy exam for you, right? Because if you see, this exam is of 3 stages. First stage is your preliminary examination. Stage 2 and stage 3 is your mains examination. Stage 1 and stage 2 is objective type. Stage 3 is descriptive type. I have already written this examination once. I have cleared my prelims. Again, I failed in mains examination. Only because of one thing, only because of descriptive nature of paper, right? I didn't prepare well for the descriptive examination, okay? Because if you want to write your answers in a descriptive way, you have to practice in a very wonderful manner. There is no other alternation at all, right? So if you want to attempt that paper, you have to practice every question regarding your CSR net syllabus. Actually, CSR net syllabus and this syllabus is almost same. I will tell you in a while. But you have to have a very good knowledge on your subject. Then only you can write this descriptive paper. Okay. At the same time, you don't need to be afraid anything. Definitely, you can attempt this paper in a very wonderful manner if you really want to get this job, right? Okay. So first of all, if you observe, most of the people generally confuse in between patent agent and patent officer. So there is a difference between patent agent and patent officer. Patent agent is nothing but it is a certificate course. If you want to get one certificate, you have to write this patent agent exam. So after you write this patent agent exam, you will get the certificate. Okay, this is just out of the office. You have to work as a patent agent out of the office. But if you take patent officer, you will write the exam, you will get this patent officer job, and you have to work in the office, right? So this is the difference between patent agent and patent officer. So next one is and this is of totally 3 stages. First of all, I will talk about this portion, right? So in preliminary examination, this is online examination. Preliminary examination is online examination. Total 150 questions will be there and 150 marks. In this, if you see, general English section is there. For this general English section, you have to follow Lucent book, right? So general English portion, for general English portion and general knowledge portion, you can follow Lucent general English and general knowledge. You can download this book from Google, okay? So freely available. This book is freely available on Google. You can download for free, right? So next one is verbal and non-verbal reasoning, quantitative aptitude, GK and current affairs. For this quantitative aptitude, right? Here quantitative aptitude is there. For this quantitative aptitude, just you have to follow the level of the questions of your CSR net and GATE. Just CSR net and GATE level questions are enough. You don't need to prepare anything extra other than that, right? For quantitative aptitude and for logical reasoning, for both the portions, just do previous year questions of CSR net and GATE. Okay. Next, verbal and non-verbal reasoning. Verbal and non-verbal reasoning, again, most of the number of videos are available on YouTube. Just type verbal and non-verbal reasoning on YouTube. You can get more number of videos. Just follow them and type verbal and non-verbal reasoning practice questions or PYQs on Google. Definitely you get plenty of questions, right? So just practice them. Next, WIPO and related treatise, right? So this one is there, and you can search on Google for this. Okay, for this topic you can search on Google, then definitely you can get some information. And after that, IP registration. Just type IP registration in India on Google. If you type that IP registration in India, then you will get these all questions, right? So just go through their website, okay, ip.gov.in. So you can get this, you can get information regarding this IP registration. Along with that, you have to have an idea on this. Who provides this intellectual property rights? Okay, so the answer is National Internet Registry, right? So next, validity period of this IPR is 20 years, right? Duration of intellectual property rights, how many years duration is there? 3 big intellectual properties. GST rate for IPR, so present 18% GST rate for IPR. So these type of questions you will get once if you search by yourself on Google, right? So just type IP registration in India, then you will get these all questions, right? So this is about this preliminary examination. So after preliminary examination, you will get the mains examination. So in this mains examination, you have 2 parts. The first paper is paper 1, and again it is both papers are of offline, right? So first paper 100 marks and 100 questions. So again for GK you can follow Lucent book, right? GK by Lucent. And for current affairs, you have to follow for current affairs, last 6 months current affairs you have to read before the examination. Before 6 months of the examination, you have to follow those 6 months current affairs you have to follow, right? So those 6 months current affairs are more than enough. For this current affairs, you can follow YouTube and Google. Okay, so many websites are there. And for general aptitude, again general aptitude and this logical reasoning, everything you can just do previous year questions of CSIR, NET and GATE, right? And next one is intellectual property rights. This intellectual property rights you can find in their direct website. Okay, just go through their website, then definitely you can get this IPR, intellectual property rights. So next one, maths. So regarding maths, you have to follow basic mathematics up to 12th class is more than enough, right? Just follow 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th basic mathematics, not 12th. You don't need to follow 12th also. Up to 11th is enough, but to put yourself in a safe zone, just follow 12th also, right? Read 12th also. So next one is English. Again for English you can follow Lucent book. Okay, for general knowledge, for English, general English, you can follow Lucent book, right? So next, phase 2 chemistry, completely your not phase 2, not this is the paper 2. So your paper 2 chemistry is just completely similar syllabus of your CSIR, right? CSIR NET syllabus, and this syllabus is almost same, and just go through that syllabus only, go through those topics only. You don't need to come out of those topics. Okay, they have already given important topics of this chemistry, just follow them only, right? And try to write every answer in a descriptive manner. You have to practice a lot for this paper 2, right? So very easy exam, not very easy, but easy examination. You can definitely crack this examination if you are the sincere student and if you are the dedicated student, right? So completely it is the exam, it is just the level of your CSIR NET exam, right? You don't need to worry about anything. That's all. Thank you so much.